Well, take a look at your screen here. So a news crew in Alabama stepped in to help a woman get the necessities during a winter storm. Gina Lynn Scott was in a tough spot. Her elderly mother needed medication, but neither of them were able to drive to the store. So Gina tried other ways of finding help. She called car services and volunteer groups, but no one would give her a ride. But that changed when she was called the newsroom of our ABC affiliate in Huntsville. Instead of trying to help her find a ride, we just gave her one.
We all need to have the mindset, and we all need to have an inner knowing that no matter what comes along life's way, it will be okay. So I'm just blessed and grateful that I'm here today with you, but I knew it would have worked out.
All right, well, we're glad it worked out right there. Well, after a short trip, the package was secured, according to the reporter. It wasn't an easy transaction, hey, but it all worked out like we just said, so thank goodness.